This trash can compress your garbage for more space without having to touch it. It's called the Titan by Joseph. It holds up to 3 times more trash than the trash can of the similar size. This means taking out the trash less often. This is a balancing colander. It's called the Equilibric Multifunctional Bowl. It tilts to rinse out your food without dropping. It comes in 3 different shapes. It reduces the water usage by 60%. This pillow relieves acid reflux and gerd. Arm pocket takes pressure off arm and shoulder. Wedge is made with 4 medical-grade foams. And it comes with a machine washable cover. It's called MEDCLINE Reflux Relief System. This is a pop-up camping tent. It pops open in a few seconds and can house 4 people. So, you do not waste your time setting up a tent. It has removable roof for airflow and interior pockets. Fiberglass poles allow to withstand any weather. Perfect for camping and weekend trips. This water bottle cleans itself using self-sterilization technology. This is the MAHATON bottle. 1. E. coli flora bacteria can multiply to 2m overnight. The UVC LED kills 99% of the bacteria in just 90 seconds. And you are helping the nature at the same time. Great for the outdoors or in the office. This emergency door lock is designed for classrooms. It's particularly designed for classrooms. Lock outward swinging doors from the inside. It is very easy to install and use. Simply attach the metal plate to the door, so anyone can easily secure the door in seconds. It comes in various lengths. It works perfectly with any kind of metal door frames. This e-bike can run up to 200 km/h. Meet Fluid, the best-in-class pedal assist e-bike. It has an aluminum alloy custom frame. 900 lumens LED headlight. Eric Buell, from Harley-Davidson. Developed fuel fluid. An elegant electric bike. No more waiting for the bus and train. The motor generates 100 New Mexico of torque. Pedelec sped bike versions. 2 removable batteries. Charges 80% in just 2.5 hours. It weighs 69 pounds. Anti-theft feature. Maintenance-free with belt and hub gears. Change the way you commute. This car dashcam records 360 degrees of footage. Introducing the Viso 360. So, there is no potential blind spots. Transfers quickly to your phone for evidence. It notifies you when there's an accident. The sensors use a very low power and automatically sends you the video clip. The sleep detection feature alerts drowsing driver. Carry your luggage totally hands-free. This is the retro strap. And it's a crossbody strap that stretches and retracts. So you can pull your suitcase along with you. And free up your hands. If you're struggling to carry everything you need the retro strap. It can also prevent shoulder pain you get from pulling them. Additionally, the retro strap stops theft. This smart door lock is anchored to the floor. It is called the Haven lock. And there are 2 versions. The manual Haven Mech and the Smart Haven Connect that even alerts you of a break-in. Both are built with military-grade materials, making them 10 times stronger than a deadbolt, and they last for 25 years. Peace of mind has never been easier. This beanbag molds to your body shape. Sit on it to make a chair. Lie back to make it a recliner. Becomes a comfy bed or a couch. The cover is machine washable. Awesome single seat. Meditation pillow. And back support for an armchair. Combine 2 for more options. This company makes incredible modern dog pens. Surrounded by clear acrylic windows. They are much more aesthetically pleasing. It gives your dog a great view of their surroundings. And also offers a cage-free environment in your home. It comes in a few different sizes. For small to medium-sized dogs. They are also great for kittens, bunnies and other animals. Which one do you like acquiring? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. And see you on the next video.